back to my channel. You know, today I decided I'm going to start my fall coffee, tea, and hot chocolate station, and I will be using my cabinet behind me. I'll set it up with mostly Dollar Tree items, and I'll start off with the food items. And I was so excited to see these little small bags of coffee, ground coffee, and this is Bourbon Vanilla by Jim Beam, and this one is by Junior's Brooklyn Blend medium roast ground coffee, and I think these are new to Dollar Tree, and I will place that on my coffee station. And I found some more of these hot chocolate pods, and you get 3 inside the box. And I also found some pumpkin spice sugar-free syrup, and I will try that in my coffee or tea. And I found this chocolate syrup, and I can use this in my hot chocolate. I also found iced latte chilled coffee drink mocha, and I think this before came in a bottle, so now they have it in a can, and I like it. It's very good, and you get 15% more in the can. And also I found, well, I got 2 cans of these coffees, and Nescafe cold brew latte coffee milk chocolate drink, so this might be pretty tasty. And what else? And I also purchased these crumb cakes, cinnamon, and hopefully they will taste good. That's the first time me buying this, so I hope it is good. And I love these scrumptious wafer rolls, chocolate cream. And I love these marshmallow cookies with my hot chocolate because they have marshmallows inside of them. And to me, I like them. I think they're very good. And let's see what other food items I have. And like 80% of my items that I'm using are from the Dollar Tree. And now I will show you, I purchased 2 more of these cups from the Dollar Tree. And they're very good for hot chocolate. And see what else I have here. And I purchased a set of these containers. I usually put my tea bags and hot chocolate packets inside of there. And I also purchased this black container from Dollar Tree. And I probably will put the coffee bags, etc. inside of this container. And I purchased some window cleans, fall window cleans. I use those on my mirror behind just to be more festive. I purchased this pumpkin sign, and I already did a DIY on it. Very simple DIY. I added cupcake stickers and little pumpkin decor items on it, and I will use that on the wall behind me. And I purchased this as well to use on in my bar area. And let's see what else I purchased here. And this is a DIY I did already. It was too simple to even show you guys how I did it because it's very easy. All you do is hot glue this sign inside of a frame, Dollar Tree frame, and I added a little Dollar Tree gem on the bow, and it is ready to hang. And also I did I used some Dollar Tree craft paint and paint it black in the back so it could highlight the little sign in front of it better. And now I will show you guys how I will set up my station, so please keep watching. I purchased this tray a few years ago from Ross, and it was $9.99, and I like the colors, fall colors. And I have push pins on my wall, so I will use push pins to hang up this Dollar Tree sign. With this sign, I added stickers onto it, along with little pumpkin decor items from the Dollar Tree. These are Dollar Tree coffees, blend, medium roast, juniors. And hopefully it will taste good. And this one is the Beam Bourbon Vanilla Coffee. I will put the marshmallow jar right here, and the labels from the Dollar Tree, as well as the chalk pen. And I'm going to, and I got marshmallows from the local grocery store. Good, it's airtight. And the peppermint I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I think this jar came from Dollar Tree. And Dollar Tree label, set that right there. I forgot to mention I purchased this box of sugar, Domino sugar, from the Dollar Tree as well. I don't use very much sugar. I just maybe use a small, maybe a teaspoon in my coffee. Okay. These are from Ross. And I'll put some pods right there. 2 of these hot chocolate pod. Come from the Dollar Tree. You get 3 in a box. I purchased these stirrers from my local grocery store. I didn't see any at Dollar Tree. Let me stick that right there. Stick that right there. These are the wafers I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Let's see if I can stick that right, because I gotta stick the food on there. Try that right there. And these little Dollar Tree cupcake wrappers. And put some little crumb cakes inside of it. They look like that, very small cakes. Let's see, maybe I'll tell you and these happen to be my favorite cookies because they have marshmallows already inside of them. And I like them with my hot chocolate. Yeah, maybe I'll use cupcake things for that as well. Let's see what that looks like. I'm just trying to be creative right now. Okay. Everything is so expensive, so this is the cheaper version of my station. Using the little pics from the pack. Now this is the final setup of my hot chocolate coffee tea station, and most of the items are from Dollar Tree and turned out beautifully. I hope you guys got some ideas, and I would like to thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and many blessings, and please stay safe.